So I'm back again. One of the things that I've been meaning to tell you is after you are done painting, you want to make sure that you protect your wet canvas because you don't want any dust in there or bugs or anything like that while they are drying. So what I have used is these food covers. I have some large ones and then I also have some small ones. And so I just cover them all to make sure that they are protected the whole time that they're drying. And then you also want to make sure that you do that after you have resined them while the resin is drying, because if the resin gets messed up, then you have to do the resin all over again. And you definitely don't want to do that. So that's how I protect them. You can get those on Amazon, and they have all different kinds of sizes. These colored ones are 17 by 17. The other ones are really, really big, and I don't remember for sure what size those are, but I want to get some that are an in-between size. I just haven't ordered any yet, but these bigger ones work great for when you have bigger canvases. Then you know that they're all covered well and you don't have to worry about them touching the sides, because that's another issue. So this big one would be big enough to cover that and this, except for these are just about 2 or 3 inches over too far, so I wasn't able to do that. But you can use them for more things than that. And then when I resin them, I'll be able to stick them closer and make sure that they're set where I'll be able to cover multiples with the big ones. So anyway, that's all I wanted to share with you. So bye again.